Okay, so now we're going to talk about creating a photo gallery on the myCarenApps platform using the myPhotos tool. So you log into myCarenApps home and you go to myPhotos, and this will load up the photo tool. There's an earlier video that shows how to load photos on, how to upload photos onto the platform to begin with, and this assumes that you've already gone through that process with everything that you want to put in your gallery. So right now we're going to go to the Galleries tab here, and if you look, you have a couple of galleries that are on the left-hand side. Now the first thing I should say about this is that the gallery component needs to be integrated into your website, which is a very simple and simple process. If you want it done, you simply call Karen Applications, and we'll go ahead and take care of that for you. There's no charge to do that. So these two galleries are already on my website. And it looks like this. I'll show you. It looks like this. Okay, the web design and the photography gallery right here on my portfolio page. Okay, so using Karen, we're going to go back to myCarenApps, and using this gallery tool, we're going to create a third gallery about web applications. Karen happens to do a lot of work in the space of web applications, and so we're going to put up a photo gallery that shows off some of that work. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hover over the button and we're going to say we're going to add a new photo gallery. Okay, this photo gallery is going to be called Web Applications. So we're going to go ahead and type that here, Web Applications. The title of the gallery will show up in the implementation on your website. It will also show up in the title when someone clicks directly into the gallery. Okay, couple things we got to do here. We got to put in a short description. This is for the search engines. We want to go ahead and put a description when somebody lands on this information through a search engine like Google. Then we'll have a description of what they're about to see. In addition, we want to make sure that we have a good description of what is going to be in this gallery, and I've prepared one of those as well. Okay, so last thing we want to do is we want to put in a series of tags. This should be a comma-separated list of tags. It should look just like this. Now, for search engine optimization purposes, this is critically important, this is critically important, and this is critically important. The web applications will go in the title, or the gallery name will go in the title tag. The short description will go in the description tag, and the tags field here drives the keywords tag. Okay, this information here is information I'm delivering to my visitor on the implementation of the website at the website. Okay, so we also want to have an overview image for this gallery. So this is an image that will convey what it's going to be about. So we're going to click over here, and we're going to be given a set of images. These are all of the images that I've already uploaded onto the myCarenApps platform. And I'm going to pick this one over here, which just happens to be the myCarenApps homepage. Okay, I can click on it again if I want to change my mind and put something else up, but instead I'm going to use that myCarenApps image. We'll go ahead and save it, and you'll see that there is a new gallery here. Okay, so one thing we're going to want to do, we may actually want to edit it. So if we do that, like all the other tools, we want to select it and then go in and edit it. I tell you what I'll do. I'll just take all of that information out of there and save it, and you can see now we have an abbreviated description. Okay, so with the gallery selected, I'm going to add and insert an image. Okay, so I'm going to click this button here. This will give me all of my images, and I'm going to say I want that one. Okay, so the dialog box will close and that one will come in. If I don't want that one, I can simply X out of it and it goes away. I do, however, want that one, and I want several more. Okay, I'm going to have that one, I'm going to have that one, I'm going to have that one, and I'm going to have that one. Okay, Now, I may want to have these things appear in a different order. So I'm going to put this one up here, and it will reorder it'll reorder all of the images. I want to have this one appear next, and it will reorder it. So you can just drag and drop into the spaces, and it will reorder the gallery for you. Okay, that's it. I can also delete the gallery if I want, and I can delete the individual images. So be aware, if I delete the image from the gallery, that does not delete it off the platform. It just deletes it from the gallery. And so what I'll do is I'll go back out to the myCareNapps homepage, and I will reload, and boom, there is my web applications gallery right there. Okay, so the way the gallery implementation works is like this. I click into it, there's all my text, and now I can click into an individual image, and I get all of the text from the images. And I can go back to the web applications gallery. If I want to take out a particular image, I can go ahead and take this one out. Oops. Take this image out, and now if I reload my gallery, it's not there. So that's it. If you have any questions about this tool, please feel free to call me. My number, as always, is on the bottom, and you can email me here as well. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy the myPhotos Galleries tool.